Welcome you all in unit number 3, vector calculus and differential equation. Content of this unit is homogeneous and non-homogeneous linear differential equation of nth order and its solution. Second is operator method for particular integral. Third is method of variation of parameter. Fourth is solution of certain types of linear differential equation, that is Cauchy's and Legendre's differential equation. Then applications of linear differential equation, that is simple electrical circuit, mass spring system and bending moment. Now, after starting this unit, you must be able to recall the concept of differential equation. To understand the linear differential equation with constant coefficient, next to understand the Cauchy's and Legendre's differential equation, to analyze the types of differential equation, and next to apply the method of differential equation to engineering problem. This is our objective. Now outcomes will be, after learning this unit, learner must be able to understand the linear differential equation with constant coefficient. Then find complementary and particular solution. This is very important topic of this unit. To find out solution of differential equation, we need complementary as well as particular solution. Then you can must be able to solve Cauchy's as well as Legendre's differential equation after identifying it, and use suitable method. As well as you must be able to apply all these method to a particular engineering problem or a physical problem. Then applications of these units are, it is useful in electrical circuit because electrical circuit formation is in the form of differential equation, and to solve the differential equation it is in the form of linear differential equation with constant coefficient. So we can find out current as well as charge. We can find out current or charge at any time t. Then in mass spring system also it is useful to find out the force required to stretch the spring. In bending problem such as beams or flyover, to check bending in a solid. In computer applications, it is used to model complex iteration or non-linear phenomenon. Means whenever there is a big type of differential equation, so it is very difficult to solve it by using normal method or linear differential equation. So you can make algorithm on that differential equation and you can solve it by using that algorithm. So this is the usefulness in computer engineering. Thank you. In next lecture, we are going to study what is linear differential equation and how to find out complementary function of a linear differential equation. Thank you.